Let's create a Blazor Hello World app in .NET 5. Open Visual Studio. Select Create a new project. Search for Blazor template and select Blazor app template. Then click Next button. Give your project some name, and click the Create button. Now select .NET 5 from the drop-down control and select Blazor Server App. Next, click the Create button. Visual Studio will create your Blazor project in a few seconds' time. You can see the app files and folders structure in the Solution Explorer window. Now run your project and see how it works. Great! Your app is working fantastically. Good job! Now let us add a Hello World feature in this app, so, right-click the Pages folder and select Add menu, then select New Item. In the Add New Item window that opens up, select Razor component and name it as hello.razor. Now, remove all its code, and add a new code which has a text box for entering your name, and a select control for selecting your city. Also add a button, which on clicking, will give you hello message. Don't worry about the codes, as all the codes are provided in the link given on the description, so check it out. Next, open the file called navmenu.razor, which is kept inside the shared folder. Here, add the link to your newly created hello.razor component. Copy and paste the last li element. Change its href attribute to hello, and text to hello. Great! Your component is successfully linked from the main layout of the app. Now run and check how everything looks. Click the link of your hello.razor component and it will open in the browser. Now, enter your name, and select your city, and click the button. You will receive a hello message instantaneously, without a page reload. Congratulations! You have successfully created your Hello World Blazor app.